Hey pretties, welcome back to my channel. So today's the day before I start college. I gotta get prepared. My wig is over there. We're gonna style and everything, but I gotta get this hair like out the way. So my mom's about to braid it like in an hour because she washed it yesterday. I let my hair breathe for a day, whatever. Yeah, so we about to braid this up, but I think my edges got to go somewhere, and baby, these edges is noise. Hopefully she braids it today, because I got a feeling she don't want to, even though she got to, because I need my wig to lay flat. But after I brush this out, I'm gonna like style my hair and everything, which is gonna be in different videos. So you wanna go check that out, go ahead. The link will be down in the description box below. I think I already have my outfit planned, not too sure. I don't really gotta do too much because it's not technically the first day of school. This is just like my college classes, so yeah. If you guys are confused, I go to early college high school, right? But tomorrow I start college, which is my college classes. But all I'm taking tomorrow is just college classes. So it's the first day of college for me because I'm gonna be on the actual campus the whole day. So yeah, I gotta be there by 10:30, 11 o'clock. So like I could get my ID, sign up, take my picture for my college ID, so I could get just swiping it inside. And if you want to know what my major is, my class, whatever, is business to marketing, because I go to a business high school, so I major in business basically. So yes, I wash my face at night, so I might just come back when I wash my face and stuff. I'm definitely taking a shower tonight because I'm not gonna wake up early enough to take a shower tomorrow. I already know me. I'm getting a headache from this light, so I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Alright guys, my room looks messy because I have like a ton of videos I need to do. Should have been did. So yeah, we behind. But anyways, I have to get me an outfit for tomorrow. It's the night before school. If you guys don't know, well, it's the day of school actually, because it's after 12 probably at this point. I was getting myself prepared. If you guys want to see how I got prepared, got my, you know, everything together, go watch my video of me preparing for back to school. But anyways, so got my shoes I'm wearing. These are only new shoes that I got right now. Well, yeah, right now, because other ones I got delivered to my dad's house and we can't get that right now. So yeah, but I do have this big box of Fashion Nova. Don't know what to wear. It has to match my sneakers, obviously, so we're gonna see what I can put together. And I also have a bunch of stuff from Dolls Kill, and you guys probably didn't see any one of these yet, or did y'all? I don't know. So if you guys want to see what's in this box, make sure to go watch my back to school video. I mean, back to school haul whenever I post it. And if you want to see what I got from Dolls Kill, make sure to watch my back to school haul featuring Dolls Kill. I'm so excited for first day of college, kind of, sort of, not really. I know it's going to be a hassle because I have to be there 2 hours early where I was supposed to be, that I scheduled myself for, basically. Ouch. Oh my gosh, where is the thing I'm looking for? Oh, I passed it. Look at that. Anyways, guys, here's the skirt. It's like a black skirt, and I have black in my sneakers, so this can go perfect. Yeah, we finna wear a white shirt. Let me just get the white shirt up here so you probably can't see. I'm gonna put it out. I'm about to wear this white halters top. I wore this before, so yeah. And when you're in college, you can wear whatever you want, baby. I can wear this shirt. This shirt is cute. Like a cold shorter. I already wore this before too. Yeah, also gotta get my bag together, which I forgot to do. Actually, I already have my bag together, kind of, sort of. No, I don't. But I think for the first day, I don't really gotta bring nothing. We'll see in the morning. We'll see in the morning. Okay? I gotta see today because I don't want to do no extra stuff. I'll be back. Alright guys, so my outfit's over here. Got my bag right here. Gonna pack it up real quick. Alright guys, I have my binder and all my other school supplies. If you guys want to see all my school supplies, go watch my back to school supplies haul. I already organized my binder. Thank God I did this, like, I don't know when I did this, but I already put my dividers in, my notebook, and a folder. It's my school supplies right here. Right in here. And bam. So yeah, see you guys when I wake up. Good night. Alright guys, so it's time to wake up. I want to wake up at 7 o'clock or 7:30, so yeah, this is the only day I have to wake up early. Tomorrow I don't have to wake up early, but today I had to, so guys, so here's my wig. I already styled it and everything, so I put it on my head basically. So yeah, I'm just trying to take this one pin out. I hate when like it gets stuck, you know, to the lace. It'd be so annoying. Let me get my hair dryer. Alright guys, so like I said, this hair's from Tinashe here. I'm sorry if I sound congested. It's because my freaking cat always wants to sleep in my bed knowing damn well she's not supposed to, and I'm getting freaking sick off of it. Like, come on. Like, I'm allergic to you, girl. I cut the lace, so I already cut the back. I sneeze like 10,000 times. Like, it's ridiculous. Like, are you kidding me? Ugh. Hopefully this stops my sneezing. Alright guys, I think it was like 8:41. So I have like 50 something minutes to get ready now. Look at all this goddamn hair. Yeah, I can't really see, but I already got makeup on my sleeve. Nothing surprising. Now I'm gonna yeah. Alright guys, so my hair is fully installed now. Actually looks good. I'm really proud of myself. But my freaking alarms keep going off, so yeah. But it looks pretty good. And I'm about to do my makeup, so alright, I'm rethinking my top. I think I want to wear like a different top, but other than that, you know, let's get into the makeup. I got me new makeup to start off. I got me new makeup to start off the school year. Spent basically $200 at freaking Sephora. I got some concealer, some setting spray, eyebrow pomade because I'm running out, and foundation. And he also gave me my birthday present, which is so cute because I signed up, but it was after my birthday, and she was so nice to just give it to me. So yeah, and I also got a highlighter from Fenty. Which we finna use today. Oh. Yeah. Got too excited. I'm gonna use my new foundation today because I keep seeing everybody use the Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation. I really want to try it. So I'm gonna use my eyebrow pomade, and I also got the concealer because I was like, you know, it goes together, right? And some setting spray, which I'm gonna try today because I really want to know if it works or not. But the only thing I'm not using is my birthday thing. Everything else I'm using today. Alright, so you guys already know I do my eyebrows first. Because once I have my eyebrows done, the rest of my face is easy for me because my eyebrows is the only thing that I really actually care about. Not okay, I care about everything obviously on my face, but you know, I have to have these like on fleeky fleek. Put on some primer real quick. This is the e.l.f. illuminating primer mist. I'm getting tired of these alarms. It doesn't taste good, but you're not supposed to taste it, but yeah. Alright, so I'm using ebony today because granite I was not using because that's a freaking black color. That's just freaking black. So basically why I have to leave early today is because I have to sign up for my ID, get my picture taken, to be able to go into the, you know, college campus and walk around the campus and the building and all that jazz because, you know, yeah, security is really tight on college campuses. If you're not in the college, they're going to tell you to get the hell out. So yeah. And I have to sign up and get my login, you know, so I can see my schedule for my college classes and all that. Basically, I have to come early to get enrolled. Like enrolled. I'm already enrolled, obviously. I've already got my email with my class, but I had to, like, you know, have my ID. So on a regular basis, basically I just have to scan my card and walk inside to go into my class, basically. So yeah, I have to go to this guy's office, which I thought was my freaking classroom, which is not, because the email was long as hell, and where it was supposed to stop at. If you wasn't dumb, I mean, if you was smart, which I'm really obviously not, because I didn't keep scrolling, which is really common sense for anybody. Don't ever keep scrolling. Anyways, it says hi juniors again, and basically they're saying that, you know, what rule number we're in and where the campus, like where to go to the campus, whatever, and how to get to that. I have to go to the main campus to go to this guy's office to get my picture taken, get my ID and my login, all that jazz, and then I walk to my class. So that's why I have to be early, and plus to meet up with my friends. I actually have to be there at 11:30, but I want to meet up with my friends at 11. They want to meet up with me at 11, so I'm gonna get there probably around 10:50. So yeah, now I'm taking this concealer to carve out my eyebrows. I'm gonna come back to you guys when I do my foundation, because y'all already seen me do my eyebrows so many times. Alright guys, this eyebrow looking funky, but this is the best we're gonna get with the eyebrows, okay? Like, we need to hurry up. I took freaking like probably a whole half an hour with these eyebrows. Like, no joke, it's 9:30 now. Like, this is what I mean. I have two concealers from Black Radiance that I got from Primark. They was like $6 each, and basically one is orange, one is red. For my black spots, they're supposed to cancel out. They even say HD corrector. So this is what these look like. So I'm just gonna do both of them because I don't know, because I tried one of them. I forgot which one I tried. Oh, I tried the orange one, and yeah, I'm just gonna do both together because and now I'm about to just speed through this because I have to go. So y'all just want to hear music while I do my makeup. I'm ready to get the fuck ASAP. That's how I'm gonna be in school. That's dead gonna be my mood in school.
I'm ready to get the fuck ASAP after this shit. 5 days.
This is probably what you're not supposed to do, but you know what's the most like scariest thing about being a teenager? Knowing you're getting old. Like, you're just dreading that day. Everybody's dreading that day. Yo, so not a lot of people, but a few people be like, oh, makeup is aging me, da da da. First of all, I'm black. That's one. Number two, makeup is not aging me. You're on me. Get off me. You just mad because you can't do makeup. I hate people criticize, when girls especially, how you criticize your own sex because you can't do makeup. It's not my fault you can't do makeup. You just can't do it. That's not my problem. Like your morning routine is boring as hell. Period. I mean, I would like to not do makeup in the morning too, but if I want to do it, I want to do it. Like, why are you criticizing me for wanting to do my makeup? That's dumb. Plus, you're watching me. Nobody told you to watch me. You want to watch me. Do not comment something that you don't like about me, like when I didn't tell you to watch me in the first place.
Period.
Alright guys, we finna try it today. I'm so excited because this is freaking expensive. Like, yes. Oh shit. It's a hot girl summer, so she knows she got it lit already. Alright guys, to set my face, I just used the Becca powder. Bro, it took me like a million years to open this. Like, about to break my nose trying to open it. But while my face still wet, oh.
But while my face still wet, oh.
Oh, this is way better. That was too much. I had to do the whole face all over. Oh yeah, by the way, that was Fenty Beauty highlight in the shade Trophy Wife. So yeah. Now I'm about to add my 24 karat lip gloss by Nick AK. I don't know why I say like listen, Nick AK, whatever. It's supposed to have shimmer, but like I didn't see it. Neither did my mom. I was so upset. It's like I got from Beauty Supply store for $3. Bro, I was about to leave it on my lashes. I forgot to put on freaking lashes, guys. Like, I was like, why my face feels so light? Anyways, I'm taking the Luxe Girl lashes in the style Money that I wore for my Get Ready With Me because I don't have time to figure it out. I'm already late. So I'm looking all over for my stuff. Finally checked my mom's room and she had my Tarte Big Eagle mascara. Really? Anyways, I have to like, you know, my eyelashes is white. I'm a concealer, so I gotta cover that. But thanks BOXYCHARM for sending me this mascara because it's popping, and my Becca powder that I use for my face today. And if you want to start your subscription, the link will be in the description box below. No, it's not sponsored. I just want to say that because I always keep it there. Sorry, they like building a new school in my house. So. And I took out the binder out my book at my bag because I was like, these are the shoes I'm wearing today. Yeah, if you want to know where I got them from, go watch my back to school haul when I post it, you'll see. But there's some like Ripple Converses, I don't know what they call these. Yeah, you can look them up and try to find them. I don't know if they still sell them, but then I found them, so you probably could find them too. So this is what I'm wearing today since my other like drip shoes is at my dad's house. So yeah, they look like this. They're so freaking cute. I was dying to find these when I saw these on people. Like I was like, oh my gosh, like these are fire. Come on. I put my shoes on. I definitely do need a jacket because like I said, college could be cold. Well, school's gonna be cold in general. So I'm gonna wear this black denim jacket. It's the only black denim jacket I have, but I'm wearing black, so yeah. I really don't want to wear this shirt, but it's actually pretty cute. I'm just keep it on. It's too late, I gotta go. Alright guys, so this is the end of me getting ready. I'm gonna vlog if I can, but I'm gonna see you guys when I get to my college.
Beach cook.
Take me around. Take me around, tour guide. Alright, so I told y'all I wanted McDonald's and he came outside with me, even though he said he wasn't. He still did. Period. Right, y'all, Carol? This is that fancy McDonald's. Oh my god, it was 3 things. And I paid $20. That's crazy. We just saw a cost professor. I don't know why he's riding a bike. And we about to go to the campus right now. Did y'all know that they had a chocolate chip cafe? Because I never knew that. And I went in, I got extra caramel, extra chocolate chips, extra chocolate drizzle. It's ridiculous. But I'm going to talk to you guys when we get there. But like, you know what I mean. What are my lounge areas? Yeah.
But how did you get a chance to come back? First time experiencing teaching it, but I have heard that there's more.
Got Michaela. She back in action.
Hey, I'm back. Y'all miss me? Hey, it's me again. Michaela. And we're better.
Took forever to answer. All these hood niggas in the bag.
What?
Not it. All the hood niggas in the bag.
Oh, unfortunately, we don't need to see them. No.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. You ready to go, Jaquil?
Yes, I'm ready to go. And they talking about that line is not long.
What? Still?
The IDs, yeah. Listen to Maya.
I got you.
She has a job. She had a job before I did.
I'm an Icyy.
Catch the drip, catch the fit.
Just bring it. Yes.
We're showing you everything.
You're not coming today, so I'm going to show you. You don't work.
Oh,
You don't have to.
hi guys, I'm about to get my crap. You're my boyfriend. Say hi.
Hey guys.
Which one y'all like better? Adidas store, Kevin Klein and stuff. So yeah, we doing a shopping day, a random shopping day. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos of me. And I'm going to see you guys in my next video.